Welcome to Imanni Music Online Lessons, where we transform music into mental health resources. Hey there, my name's Imanni. I write music for mental health awareness, and I am so glad to be talking with you today. Before we get started, let's get our bodies and minds ready for today's lesson. So, I want you to just wiggle, 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 jiggle, 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 and shake your head and make whatever sounds you need to make to get yourself feeling all loose and forgetting everything from today. All your struggles, all your battles, let them go and let it loose. Woo, that felt good. Okay, and then also make sure you stretch. Oh, that's important too. So, now let's get some awesome posture going on. Let's make sure that you have a beautiful L shape going on with your body in your chair. And make sure that you have a beautiful L shape going on with your arms as well, with some nice relaxed shoulders too. Let's shake out our hands. Yeah. Nice, that feels nice and comfy, cozy. I feel nice and loose. Let's make sure those fingers are nice and loose too, if you can do stuff like this. And let's throw out those hands and let gravity take them down. Nice, awesome. Move those fingers about and do a little bit of this. Nice, and slowly move yourself into that position with your arms and let your hands hit on the piano. And there you go, you got your beautiful, beautiful piano form. Let's take a deep breath in. And let's breathe it out. While you breathe out, let go of all those tensions from the day and clear your mind so we can live in the moment. Ah, beautiful. Okay, y'all, now since our bodies are ready to be playing some music, let's make sure that our minds are also ready as well. So, I have a little mental health quote for you. This quote comes from Raymond McCauley, and it is the following. Change what you can, manage what you can't. Easy peasy, just like this. However, it is a super deep quote because there's a whole bunch of things we can change. We can change how we practice piano. We can change how we look at our scales. We can change how much we practice piano. We can change our posture while we're playing. We can improve things. We can make things worse. And we can change things in our environment. We can pick up trash when we see trash outside to help the earth. We can help a bill pass in Congress with the government. We can do a lot of things, and even sometimes the government being a slow type of change is still change. However, the one thing that you can't change is another person. So, for this music lesson, I want you to focus on the things that you can change about yourself to help you grow and become a mentally healthier human being while we start today's music lesson. So, now let's learn that last solfege part. The last part of solfege is this note right here, and this is our dominant. If we were to count up to it using solfege, it would look like the following. Do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol. So we can also, instead of just stepping to each next note, we can skip to them. For example, we can say, if we were going from mi to sol, we can say mi, sol, mi, sol, mi, sol. We can also do the same thing when it comes to going from do to mi. Do, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do, mi. And we can also group all these notes together by going from do to mi to sol. Do, mi, sol, do, mi, sol. By the way, did you notice how when I stop playing, the piano still rings? That's because I'm playing with a foot pedal right now. We'll talk in more detail about foot pedals, but just to give you a little quick sample of it, when you have a foot pedal connected to your piano, or if you're playing an acoustic piano at this moment, then when you press down on it, it allows the notes to what we call sustain itself. They sustain even when you're not playing the notes. When you let go, the sustain stops, which means that the music all of a sudden stops being played. As a little review, before we end this little video, let's sing together the C major triad. Going from Do, Mi, Sol, and then Sol, Mi, Do. Let's do that together with hand signs. Do, Do, Mi, Sol, Sol, Mi, Do. Excellent.